In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bass boost audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you want your audio to sound deeper, fuller, and a little more powerful, bass boosting can make a big difference. This is especially useful for music, voice recordings, or any clip that feels thin and needs more low-end presence. The nice thing is that DaVinci Resolve gives you a simple way to do this right inside the inspector, so you do not need to open a complicated separate tool just to make a basic adjustment. To get started, go to your timeline and find the audio clip you want to work with. Click on that clip to select it. Make sure you have the correct clip highlighted before moving on, because any changes you make will apply to the clip that is currently selected. Once the clip is selected, go to the top right area of the screen and open the Inspector tab. If it is not already visible, just click Inspector to bring it up. This panel gives you quick access to several settings for the selected clip, including audio controls. Inside the inspector, look for the Equalizer section. This is where you can shape the tone of your audio. For bass boosting, you want to focus on the lower frequency bands, which are usually labeled B1 and B2. These bands affect the lower end of the sound, so increasing them can add more bass and warmth. Click and adjust B1 and B2 slightly higher. It is a good idea to make small changes at first rather than pushing them too far right away. A subtle boost often sounds much cleaner and more professional than an extreme one. If you add too much bass, the audio can start to sound muddy or overwhelming, especially if there is already a lot happening in the lower frequencies. As you make these adjustments, play the clip back and listen carefully. Testing the sound is important because every recording is different. Some clips only need a small boost, while others may need a little more. Try raising B1 and B2 gradually until you get the tone you like. The main goal here is to improve the sound without making it unnatural. If you are working with spoken voice, a gentle bass boost can help the voice feel richer. If you are editing music, it can give the track more punch and depth. And that is how to bass boost audio in DaVinci Resolve using the Inspector and Equalizer controls.